National Parents' Day, 4th Sunday of July. National Parents' Day honors all the parents on the 4th Sunday in July. No matter where our parents may be, this day serves to celebrate their important role in our lives. In May we celebrate mothers and in June we celebrate fathers. It follows that in July we can bring all our parents together and show them some appreciation all at once. Parents are the gift of God on earth. Nobody can take their place in the life. They are precious gift of nature. They play an important role in children's life. National Parents' Day is celebrated to promote the responsible parenting and to recognize positive parental role models. No doubt this day also observes the special bond of love and care between parents and their children. History. While Mothers and Fathers' Days were first officially celebrated in early 1900s, National Parents' Day was not established until 1994. In 1994, President Bill Clinton introduced National Parents' Day by signing a congressional resolution making it a law. The law states uplifting and supporting the role of parents in the rearing of children. National Parents' Day activities. Call or visit them. Parents love visits from the kids and grandkids, and let's face it, they aren't going to be around forever. As much as we wish they could be, we should tell our parents how much they mean to us. Tell them they were right. Parents are always dispensing wisdom and advice as we grow up, most of it unsolicited. As kids, we often dismiss these truths or ignore them outright. Then, we grow up and have kids of our own, and we realize how right our parents were about pretty much everything all along. Give them a holiday for the holiday. Find out where parents have always wanted to go and send them on vacation. Take care of every detail so that all your folks have to do is show up at the airport or the cruise ship terminal. Post on social media. Post on social media using hashtag National Parents' Day and encourage others to celebrate the day. Why we love National Parents' Day. Parents do everything for us. Parents give us someone to rely on, shoulders to cry on. There is nothing our parents haven't done for us. We owe them everything. Parents deserve a separate holiday. Moms have May and fathers have June. So it seems appropriate that the very next month of the calendar has a day just for parents. Remember that even if the person or people who raised you with love aren't biologically related to you, they have been there during good times and bad. Let's honor them all. Parents are our biggest fans. Parents think we are beautiful little miracles when we were kids and even after we have grown up. They cheer for us when we step up to bat during Little League, and they encourage us while we learn to play trumpet or even drums. Our parents mark our growth on door jambs and walls. They celebrate us every day, and now it's our chance to return the love on this special day.